Hola, estoy en Nueva York. Ahí están los rascacielos. Y ahora voy a hacer algo que pocas personas en este mundo han hecho, que es subir ahí, al Concorde. Estas son las ruedas delanteras. El motor Rolls Royce. Son las ruedas. Las estoy tocando con mis propias manos, las ruedas del Concorde. Acá estaban los dos motores del Concorde de cada lado.
Travel time of 3.5 hours. Average flying height of 60,000 feet. Next person, yeah, please shut the door. Thank you very much. Hey, on this tour we're going to concentrate on two main airports. Like I said, London's Heathrow, New York JFK. That was the major route of Concorde. Okay? Now, if you are ticketed to ride on Concorde, you of course go to the airport. And when you go to the airport, you're going to look for something like this, right? Concorde check-in. Right? Can you guys see okay back there? Concorde check-in. And when you find Concorde check-in, you'll see a podium there. And if you are a returning flyer on Concorde, you are likely to be welcomed back by your name. Welcome back, Mr. and Mrs. So-and-so. Right? If you're a first-time flyer, you'll have to sign in there at the ledger. Right? Then afterwards, you are given exclusive access to the Concorde Lounge. This is just for you. Okay? Inside the Concorde Lounge, you will enjoy a lavish 5-star buffet. Okay? Do not fill up too much, because when you get on the plane, you're going to have even better food. Isn't that possible? You have an open bar, help yourself to the bar, a drink or 2 or 5, it doesn't matter. It's all in the price that you're you paid. We'll talk about that later. Okay, soda for you. Okay. And if you get there a little bit too early, or if you have a little too much to drink, why not grab a nap on the couch? It all is comfortable furniture, right? You do want to go by the window there, because you'll be able to look out and see your Concorde being ready for your arrival. All part of the experience. Okay, here's your typical Concorde crew. Now they're here just for the picture, of course. They of course be on the plane, readying it for your arrival. You have a captain, you have a first officer, you have a flight engineer, and 6 stewardesses. Okay, stewards and stewardesses back then. Today, you have a maximum of 100 passengers like we had on Concorde, okay? You might get 2 flight attendants. Back then, 6. More personalized individual attention, and they're not just any stewards and stewardesses. They're impeccably trained, pardon me, to give you an A1 experience. Stuff crazy.
Wow.
Former flight crew members come to, and they sign the ceiling here. including Captain Leslie Scott, 252-59. Do you have any questions?
No.